In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on Instagram. To begin, open your device's Settings app. This is often represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you select it, you will see a list of options related to your device's configuration. This is where you can manage various features and settings. Getting to the Settings app is important because it gives you access to all the essential controls of your device. You'll be able to adjust permissions that dictate how Instagram interacts with your device, ensuring a smooth and secure experience. Once inside the Settings app, look for the section labeled Apps. On an Android device, you may need to tap on Apps or Applications. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, simply scroll down to find Instagram in your list of applications. This step is crucial because it directs you to the specific settings for Instagram where you can manage its permissions. When you select Instagram, you will be taken to a page that displays all the settings and permissions related to the app. This helps you understand what access Instagram currently has on your device. Next, you may need to open permissions if required. On some devices, this option might be displayed directly, while on others, you may have to tap through to find it. This step is significant because it allows you to view the various permissions that Instagram has requested. You'll see options related to features like the camera, microphone, photos, location, and contacts. Understanding these permissions is essential for managing your privacy and ensuring that you are comfortable with what information you are sharing with Instagram. After locating the permissions section, it's time to change access for features such as camera, microphone, photos, location, or contacts. Each of these features plays a vital role in how Instagram functions. For example, allowing access to your camera lets you take photos directly within the app. This step is important because it allows you to customize your experience and control what Instagram can and cannot access on your device. Now, you will see options such as allow, don't allow, or another available access level for each feature. Select the option that fits your preferences for each permission. This can help you maintain your privacy while still enjoying the features you want to use. You might decide to allow access to your camera but deny access to your contacts. This flexibility ensures that you have control over your personal information. Once you have made your selections, it is a good idea to exit the Settings app. This action ensures that your changes take effect. You will typically see a confirmation appear on your screen, letting you know that the settings have been updated. This confirmation reinforces that you have successfully adjusted the permissions, giving you peace of mind that your account is secure. Remember that the exact options you see may vary depending on your device and operating system version. It is essential to keep this in mind as you navigate through the steps. Different devices have different layouts, but the overall process remains similar. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to manage Instagram permissions effectively. Changing these settings can enhance your experience, making sure that the app functions in a way that suits your needs. Thank you for following along. Enjoy your time on Instagram.